Hey everyone, my name is Leher and welcome to my video. Today's video is dedicated to budget-friendly skincare range. Yes, you heard right, budget-friendly skincare range, and this is the most awaited video, and I was planning to make this video since a long time, but due to some or other personal commitment, I was not getting time to shoot this video. So today finally I am doing this. So guys, stay tuned, watch this video till the end. You never know, may you get some amazing answers or the amazing brand for your favorite skincare range. And today's video is highly dedicated to dry skin type. But the other skin type, do not get disappointed because there are few bonus products in this video which can be easily accessed by you guys having oily skin, combination skin and normal skin. So do watch this video till the end. So now, when we talk about skincare regime, the first thing comes up in our mind is cleansing. Cleansing basically talks about the normal face wash, just in easy words. So the products which I am going to share today in this entire video are: number 1, highly affordable; number 2, they are easily available at every drugstore, every general store. You can get it anywhere, so you don't have to just run behind over different website and where should I order these products from. And number 3, the brands which I'm going to share already, these are very renowned brands and they are very trustworthy and the results are very amazing. So you can pick up any of these brands, whichever brand suits you the most. So now let's talk about the face wash. So I picked up 5 to 6 brands personally. You can choose any brand whose product you already used and already using, so you can get a better picture in your mind that which brand you should go for. So number 1, the most herbal, most organic brand, which is Himalaya. Himalaya is something which is highly suitable for all the skin type. There are a lot of products from Himalaya that we use for babies also. So we all know that the baby's skin are so sensitive and Himalaya is something which promises proper care. So you can simply go for the Himalaya face wash. Now there are several types of face wash which comes from different brands. So you need to pick up what type of face wash you are looking for. Are you looking for active acne release face wash, you are looking for the skin lightening and brightening face wash, or you are looking for a normal face wash? So you can pick up the product very wisely. Soon I will be coming up with a video explaining what type of face wash can be used for different skin problems, but this topic is very vast, so I'm not going to include or talk about different types of face wash in this video, otherwise we will get deviate from our topic. So first is the Himalaya. Himalaya is a very organic, very natural brand. You can simply go for any of the face wash. Another one which is my personal favorite is Lakme. Lakme is something which I am seeing since a long time. Lakme products are very promising, and day by day Lakme is coming up with a lot of variety of product. So my personal suggestion for the people having dry skin, guys, you can simply go for fruit face wash. Fruit face wash is something which will nourish your skin and it will also help you to build up that glow on your skin. I wouldn't suggest you to go for some tough kind of face wash because dry skin is something which is highly sensitive. So you can easily pick up any fruit face wash, and fruit face wash is highly suitable for all the skin type and all the age group as well. So girls and guys can use it, men and women can use it, and yes, middle-aged and elderly people can also use it. So fruit face wash is something which is my favorite and I highly recommend to everyone. Another brand is Biotic. We all know Biotic has amazing face wash. I have these 2 face wash which I am using. One is the Bio Papaya and one is the Bio Honey Gel. So these face wash I already have at home, so that's why I'm showing you. So when you go through the Biotic product, you can easily see they have a mentioning for all skin type. So you can just pick up any face wash related to your skin problem or like a normal one and you're good to go. Third brand which I trust a lot since years is Lotus Herbals. Lotus Herbals comes up with a lot of amazing product, and again you don't have to got a lot of confusion when you go to pick up any product from Lotus Herbal. These products are suitable for all skin type. So one is the White Glow, which I use on a daily basis, which is 3-in-1 skin brightening and lightening face wash, and it also remove melanin production. So guys, melanin production is basically when there are kind of pigmentation complaints we have, so that is because of melanin production. And another one which I use very rarely when I face the problem of excess oil and acne, since I have combination skin, so the tea tree face wash is very nice. So Lotus is something, guys, which you can trust. Another brand which is very good for dry skin and the other skin type is VLCC. Yes, VLCC is something which is a very famous brand. Lot of dermatologists already approve lot of products. So if you ever used any VLCC product, VLCC face wash is very safe to use. My sister is having dry skin, she also used the VLCC at times. I have combination skin, I also use, and a lot of other friends of mine also use. So this is a kind of suggestion which I am sharing you. And another two brands is, one is the Jovis. Jovis is also very highly very affordable, and it's a very old brand. As a child I am watching Jovis, and Jovis is something which comes up with a lot of variety. So you can just Google it, you can check on the Jovis product on Big Basket and Nykaa. Otherwise you can simply check on the Health and Glow website, or you can just walk up to any beauty store, you can definitely get the Jovis brand. Another step which is very important in any skincare regime is moisturization. And when it comes to dry skin, guys, I personally recommend that you should go for a proper moisturization, because it will definitely going to help you to protect your skin and to make it look healthy for a longer run. And one thing I heard a lot of people saying to me who are having dry skin, that they should take care of their skin, because there are chances that dry skin catches wrinkles very soon, and then a lot of people start using anti-wrinkle cream at a very young age. So guys, so as to avoid, please nourish your skin at every interval of time. It will definitely going to help you. So the one brand which is very trustworthy for babies as well is Himalaya. So Himalaya moisturizer is something which is very effective. It comes in two range. One is the body lotion, and another one is body butter. Earlier, when long back, we used to use body lotions. This is of Vaseline, because Vaseline is the another brand in my list, and the same range is the body butter. So one is the Vaseline cocoa body lotion I have, and another one is Vaseline cocoa body butter. So body butter is something which is little thick in consistency, and lotion, we all know that it is something which is very liquid. I know, like, lotion is about to get over, so it's just sprinkling all around. So one is the Pond's. You can go for it. Pond's has amazing body lotion. As a child, since I was a child, I am using Pond's body lotion, and the result is beautiful. It has zero side effect. But yes, since I'm talking about a lot of brands, let me just give you all the brands one by one, so that whichever brand suits you the most, all my lovely dry skin people can give a try. So number one is Pond's, which I'm personally using since a child, because my mom trusts Pond's a lot. Number two is Himalaya, because I have a lot of babies at home, and I personally make them use Himalaya products. Himalaya baby products are very safe to use, and also Himalaya products for the adults is also very good. They have amazing body lotions and body butter, so you can give a try. Third brand, which is very old, which is Vaseline. No complaints, no side effects. It's very trustworthy, so you can give a try. For dry skin people, my suggestion is that you should go for the cocoa butter range, because cocoa butter range is something which nourish your skin and keep your skin nourished for a longer run. Otherwise you can go for some lot of variants comes up, that body butter something something, I'm not able to recollect, but you can choose anyone which is your favorite. Number 4 is Nivea. Nivea is again a very old brand, and they comes up with a lot of variety for both men and women, so you can give a try. Nivea is something which is very trustworthy. And last but not the least, Lactocalamine. Lactocalamine is also a very old brand. Some people use it because it is very good for dry skin, so you can just give a try. And that's all for the moisturizer. And the bonus tip for the body butter is you can use body butter as a makeup base. A lot of girls who are having dry skin always complain that what should I use before applying the makeup as a moisturizer base. So I highly recommend that you should go for the body butter of your favorite type, and it will definitely help you, and it will definitely help your skin to build that kind of nourishment for a longer run, and the body butter stays for 10 to 12 hours, so your makeup will be good to go. And you can also use it as a night cream, because night care is something which I always suggest to everyone. And if you are way too lazy and if you don't go for any kind of night cream, as I promised that I will be sharing few products for the men as well, so there are few creams, few moisturizer which you can also give a try. So you can easily go for the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. VLCC Honey Moisturizer is very amazing. Again, if you are a VLCC fan, then only you can go for it. Otherwise you can go for Nivea Men moisturizer cream, and the Lotus Herbal White Glow Intensive Skin Serum and Moisturizer. So as I said on the last video, I made a detailed video on men's skincare regime, so you can just have a look there. And the last but not the least, for the men who are having dry skin, is you can easily go for, if you're a Garnier fan, you can go for the Garnier Skin Naturals Sun Control Daily Moisturizer. This will not only act as a moisturizer, but it will also act as a sunscreen for you. And yes, now coming to the last step of any skincare regime is which sunscreen you should go for. So the people having dry skin, there are few sunscreen which I am going to suggest you. Again, if you are using any sunscreen which is highly suitable for your skin, I would recommend you should go for it. Otherwise, if you are facing a lot of trouble in sun, you can simply just have a look with your dermatologist, and they will be the best person to assist you. So the one sunscreen which is highly suitable for all the skin type, all the genders, and can be used by both men and women, girls and guys, is my favorite brand, Lotus Herbal. Lotus Herbal's UV Protect Sunscreen, and it comes up with SPF 30, 40, 50. I am pretty confused about 40, but 30 and 50 are for sure. And it has two variants. One is the matte gel and one is the normal sunscreen cream. So you can just pick up any one which you like to go for. And another one for men, you can go for Nivea Sun Protection Moisturizing Lotion. It will again act as a moisturizer for you and a sunscreen for you. So guys, these are all the products which I brought for dry skin. And for men also, I made a separate video, but still, if someone wants to know, like as a bonus on this video, for men especially, which all face wash you can go for Nivea Men Milk Delights face wash. It's amazing, very safe to use. Another one, you can go for any Himalaya face wash. Biotic face wash is very nice, because Lotus and Biotic product are personally recommend for both men and women. They are unbiased for both men and women and for all skin types, so you can pick up any. And one is the Aroma Magic Lavender face wash, very good for dry skin. And if someone is fan of Mama Earth, you can simply go for Mama Earth Upto Natural face wash. It's very beautiful for dry skin and for both men and women, so you can give a try. That's all guys from my end. I tried summing up all the products, all the basic skin care products for the dry skin, which are highly available and affordable and can be used by girls and guys, men and women, everyone. So if you like these products, do give a try, but choose the brand wisely, whichever brand suits you the most. And if you like this video, do share with your family and friends, and stay connected and stay blessed.